Good morning, everybody. So we are like a few minutes into time. Today is the last day of the week. Today is Friday. So we'll start analysis from USD JPY. As you can see, this is the only chart we are having on our screen. The daily has been a sell so far. So from the moment when this happened, this has been a sell. We retraced back up and then a resistance. We continue down, a resistance, and then down, another resistance. And as we are speaking now, the price is at a sell place. So the previous day's candle being that this is a pin bar, we expect price to sell off. This is a very good pin bar, and there's a level here where price actually went below. If I'm to draw it like this, then this is a very good place to sell from. So on this chart, USD, as long as the price remains below this level, we are still looking for a good sell. As long as the price does not clearly ascend above this zone here, we're looking for a sell. So as it is at the moment, I don't recommend you do anything. Just wait for price to retrace back up to that zone so that you can pick a sell at the lowest possible risk. So we'll move forward. Move forward to the next chart, GBP USD. GBP USD is here. GBP USD, the previous day's candle is actually a bearish pin bar. A very good bearish pin bar. Here, as you can see, we have price attempting to go up, but then it closes a pin bar. So this is still a very good sell. We recommend you keep looking for a sell on this one. Expect that sell to push price up to this level, 1.2532. So the best you should do is just wait for some retracement upwards, then you pick a sell. Expect that sell to push price up to this level. On the 4 hours, we are still there. There's no clear trend though, but it's downwards. There's a level here that we need to break below perfectly. We need price to go below this level. Support, a support, a support. We want a break below this level and then a retracement back so that we can pick a sell to the ultimate lower end, which is this one. So the best place to sell from is actually this point here. If price can break below this level, this zone which I've drawn, then a retracement back to the same place will mean we're looking for a sell. So we move forward. We move to our next symbol, Euro USD. Euro USD so far has been upwards. As I keep mentioning, this is the correct place to buy from. A very good resistance which was broken. A resistance, and then there's a break above. And as we're speaking, the price is still some pips above that level. So this, in my opinion, is still a very good buy. You need to remain upwards on this one. An entire place is a zone. So anytime the price comes back and bounces off of the zone which I'm coloring, we are looking for a buy. Anytime the price breaks above and comes back, this is a very good place to buy from. So Euro USD, we're actually waiting for a buy from in between this zone here. The next symbol, SP500. SP500 so far has been downwards on the daily, but the overall trend from the highest time frame possible is actually upwards. So this is what we are seeing from this point here. Trend has been upwards. We are still somehow to the upper side. So as it is on this side, if you're looking for a trade, you need to wait for price to rise beyond this level. Wait for price to break above, trace back slightly, then pick a buy to the upper side. Something like this. Let price go above, then retrace back slightly so that you can pick a buy at the lowest possible risk. So as it is, we don't recommend you do anything. We don't recommend any trade. We only recommend you wait for price to go up, retrace back, then pick a buy. Expect that buy to push price even higher. So we'll move to the next time frame. This is 1 hour. Actually, it is when we are seeing some sign of an uptrend forming here. You can see that this dot here, this stands for trend. The dot that you are seeing, this is not the tail of a candle. This is actually a trend indicator. So it's beginning to appear. If it can appear completely, then this will mean you are continuing to the upper side. So move forward. Brent oil. Brent oil here. So Brent oil so far has been upwards, and yesterday, if you can remember, we actually had our level here. We had a very good level there, and then we also had this. Then we mentioned that this was a very good resistance. We went above. There was a retracement. We took a buy. We took a buy. So if price can come back to the same point, then that's going to be a very good place to look for a buy from. So as it is at the moment, we'll recommend a retracement so that you can pick a buy, and that buy should push price even higher. Have this, a very good resistance which is being broken, and then the price should retrace back so that you can pick a buy to the upper side. So you didn't buy it here on the first retracement. You still had the chance to buy it when this happened, and in the future, if price comes back to the same point, you still have the chance to buy it. So we'll move forward to our last symbol, and that's gold. So far gold has been upwards for some time. Then just a few days ago, we saw some pin bar. This is what we had. We have gold above a very good resistance. This is a very, very good resistance. Somehow gold is still above it. So if the current week's candle, which is this one, can close the way it is, that is as a sell, then that sell is a mere retracement and should only push price up to this level. So as it is at the moment, just wait for a pullback to the lower side. Wait for price to retrace back. Let price go down. Let it pull back down up to this level. Then pick a buy from that point to the upper side. So as it is, I move to the lower side. Then we'll pick a buy from that point to the upper side. So let price a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. There's a break, a retracement. Then we pick a buy. So as it is on gold, I'm not doing anything. I'm not recommending you look for a trade on this one, but rather you should wait for price to clearly retrace back to that level so that you can pick a buy at the lowest risk possible. So that should bring us to the end of today's market overview. We meet again on Monday at the same time. Sorry, I was forgetting. If you have any questions, maybe if you need me to talk about any other pair other than the ones I've mentioned, you can still indicate them under the chat option, which is right below my on the right hand side of my screen. On your screen, if you're doing this on YouTube, on the right hand side of your screen, there's an option. There's a chat option. You can write the pair you want me to talk about, or any question or anything. So thank you very much. See you again tomorrow at the same day on Monday.